Are you ready to unlock the secret to effortlessly switching between coordinate systems in Garmin Basecamp? First, navigate to the top menu bar of your Garmin Basecamp window. This is where we will begin. Click on the Edit menu. This will reveal a drop-down menu with a list of options. From this list, locate and select Preferences. Selecting this will open a new window with customization options for Basecamp. In the Preferences window, click on the Display tab. This tab contains settings related to how information is displayed within Basecamp. Now, find the Position Format option. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that currently displays your current coordinate system, likely latitude, longitude. Click on the Position Format drop-down menu. A list of various coordinate systems will appear, including options like UTM, various grid systems, and decimal degrees. Choose your desired coordinate system from the list. For example, if you want to switch to UTM, select the UTM option from the menu. Finally, click the OK button at the bottom of the Preferences window to save your changes. Your Basecamp map will now display coordinates in the new format you selected.